Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashla and today I'm doing another Lululemon haul. I have a lot of things to try on and show you, so let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is this Another Mile jacket. This is in the white shade and in a size 10 for like a more oversized look. The white is beautiful, very crisp. This jacket's really cool because it has like 2 zipper layers so that you can have like a kind of like layered look, but you can also remove that inner part and the hood with the zipper attachments. It's convertible, it has like 2 looks to it. It's a very light jacket, but it actually keeps you quite warm. On the tag, it has base warmth in terms of the warmth scale. It's made with the PrimaLoft insulation that's warm even when wet. Glide fabric is water repellent and windproof. Zippered exterior pockets with hidden phone sleeve, reflective details, thumb holes, and slim fit at hip length. Really nice staple jacket, and definitely check it out. I will have everything linked in the description box. The next thing is another jacket, and this is the Down for It All jacket. So this is slightly warmer than the Another Mile jacket, and this one is in size 8 in the color Psychic. So it's this gorgeous blue color. It has a lot of pockets on the side. It doesn't have the removable, oh actually no, the hood is actually removable. So you can easily zip that on and off. It also has thumb holes and reflective details. So very light jacket. If you want more warmth, go for this one versus the Another Mile jacket. The Another Mile jacket is really good for running when it's a little bit chilly outside, but you don't want to be hot and like too sweaty. So this is if you live in a colder climate and want to be a little bit warmer. These shorts were on We Made Too Much, so I picked them up. This is in the size 8, the Speed Up Mid-Rise Short 4-inch lined, and this is the color Carnation Red. It's a very vibrant, beautiful red color. This is just such a staple short. I have, I think 2 other colors of this. Yeah, it has a pocket in the back, so you can put a couple of things there if you want. There's a pocket in the front, so you can put like a key or hair tie or something. And it does have an elastic inside for adjusting the waistband. Let's just go through all the bottoms and leggings that I got. I picked up this classic just black instill legging in the 28-inch inseam. These are really nice. It's made with the smooth cover fabric and it's very soft. It's a little bit more it's a bit thicker than the Align pant, but it's just as comfortable. It does give a little bit more support and compression than the Align pant, so if you want that, then check out the instill. I love how the logo at the back is matte, so it kind of blends in a little bit more. And yeah, overall these are really comfortable. I did want a longer legging, so I got 28-inch, but usually my perfect length is 25-inch, and you can always get them hemmed for free in any Lululemon store, which is nice and convenient. But yeah, I really like this. The fabric is so soft and smooth. Highly recommend. I might have to get more instills. This is the Fast and Free pant in the shade Wild Indigo, and I think this might be one of my new favorite colors that Lululemon recently launched. I love the Fast and Free lines. It's really hard to find now. I feel like they're slowly phasing them out. I'm not sure, but I just don't see as many Fast and Free options, especially in shorts. I love the shorts. They last me forever. The fabric is so sweat wicking and comfortable and smooth and stretchy. They're perfect. I think these are my favorite leggings for working out. They have pockets on the side. They have pockets all around the waistband as well for smaller items. This particular style also has the drawstring on the inside for adjustable, for an adjustable waistband. And then I got the length 19-inch cut. It does cut just right below the knee. I don't have anything at this cropped length, so I just wanted to try it out. It's not bad. I think the only like con to having it cut below the knee is that when you bend your knee, it like obviously rides up a little bit. So if you don't like that or that bothers you, then go for a longer length or go for above the knee cut and just get a short. Again, you can hem it, so you're not really stuck to one length, but yeah, these might end up being converted into shorts. So yeah. Okay, and another pant I was really intrigued about is the special edition Base Pace high-rise crop 23-inch in the two-toned ribbed fabric. This is what they look like. This is in the size 6. I went for something pretty basic. It's like the gray black duochrome high-rise 23-inch, no inseam for smooth stride, continuous draw cord back pocket, added lycra fiber for stretch and shape retention, yeah, I really like my blue Nile base tights, so I figured I'd give these a shot. I do find that the ribbed fabric is typically more tight than not ribbed fabric, so these ones are a little bit trickier to get on, but they are very flattering. The cut kind of just goes with your curves, which is really nice, but I don't know if I'm like 100% sold on this color. These do come in 2 other colors, and maybe I should have gone with those because they're just more fun. But overall, a good pant. If you don't like it too tight or you're between sizes, I would say size up for these guys. Something else that I got in carnation red, and this was because I wanted something red in my wardrobe for Lunar New Year. I got this. This is, oh, I can't remember what this is called, but it's basically just one of the like cashmere blend wool sweaters. And it looks like this. I will find what it's called and link it in the description box if it's still available. If not, I'll find something similar. But this is in the size 6, and overall, I really love the quality of Lululemon sweaters and their wool blends, their cashmere blends. Everything's very soft, but it feels durable and it doesn't feel like it's gonna pill really easily. So picked this up. It's like a more oversized fit, but I think it's cute and cozy and comfy, and I'll get a lot of wear out of this in the winter time. And another sweater I picked up is a hoodie. This is the Loungeful hoodie, and this is the not cropped length, but it's in black and size 6. And overall, just a good basic hoodie. It goes lower than my waist, so it's not, again, cropped. I needed something like that in my wardrobe, just kind of like a basic staple hoodie. But I really love the Loungeful material. It's very plush and cushiony and soft, like a pillow, and the inside is very smooth and just delicious inside. So very cozy, highly recommend. It's warm cotton blend fleece fabric, so it's soft, naturally breathable, and 4-way stretch. Front pockets with interior card sleeve, locker loop for easy hanging, relaxed fit, hip length. Love this. Last haul, I picked up a hat. That was too small for me, so I was just sad about that, and I really wanted this hat to work, so I just sized up and got the medium large instead, and I love it. So if you're interested in getting a bucket hat and you think that your head is like a normal size, which I think mine is, then get medium large. I feel like the small medium is for kids, so keep that in mind. For other accessories, oh, actually, I got some underwear. This is the Under Ease Soft and Breathable Mid-Rise Hipster 3-pack trio in black. I just wanted to try these. I have some of their Invisiwear thongs and I really like them. So just wanted to try some just normal panties. So there you go. And then I also got the hair clips. I just wanted to try these. I needed some new hair clips to just keep my hair out of my face while I do my makeup or just running around doing errands and stuff. So I got these. I think this one's really cute. It's like this white opal shiny mid-size clip. I think this is like their medium and this is considered their large. So it's not actually that huge. This is like my hand in comparison, just so that you know and you know what to expect. The medium is like pretty small, so yeah. If you need like larger clips than this, then get them on Amazon. And then I also got the ribbed merino wool blend knit cozy set. This is a hat and mitt set. I just thought that this color was so cute. It's like this heathered rose color. I don't think these are available online anymore, but they do have gray and black. So if they have the pink still, I'll link it. Overall, I love the quality of this. It's a nice blend of like wool and cotton, and it's just so smooth and soft, and it's just a really cute set. For warmer mittens, I picked up the quilted mittens on a string. This is in size large, which I think is a little bit too large for me. These are like oven mitts, but it's the Canada edition, so it's like this. It's really cute. Your fingers can come out. There's the like touch screen stuff on the thumb, so you can still use your phone. And yeah, overall very warm, very insulated. So this is if like heavy duty winter. I know it's like gonna be like -20 in Toronto like tomorrow or something. So these would definitely come in handy. They're definitely warmer than the wool ones because they're insulated. And then powering through, also got this Command the Day duffel bag. This is a great just, you know, on the go bag. You can use it as a gym bag. It has a lot of compartments and pockets, and yeah, it comes in black. Love black bags by Lulu. I have another duffel, and then actually I have like a ton of black bags, but can't go wrong with it. Doesn't get dirty easily, very high quality, and it'll last you so long. And I think last but not least, I got this water bottle not too long ago. This is the 32 ounce bottle and it has this hook here, which is really convenient for putting it on the door hook in like the bathroom. You can open it up like this for like a spout kind of drinking situation, or you can just open it up here for like easy cleaning. And yeah, it keeps my water freezing cold. So I love this. And I wanted to get this bottle because I've been drinking a lot more water and my other one has gotten so bashed up. So yeah, this is in the color Faded Zap, which might still be online. I don't know, I'll link the bottles down below. They always come out with cute colors, but it's just nice to add a pop of color to your gym outfit. Okay, so I do have one more legging on the way. I got the Invigorate High Rise 25-inch in Gray Sage that I wanted to just try on and show you. I have tried on the I think it was like a gray Invigorate tight of the same style, but in gray. But if my Gray Sage ones do come, I will put them in this video. If not, I will maybe just throw in a try on. But yeah, if it doesn't come before I wrap this up, then I will just put it in my next haul. But yeah, that's it for this one. If you enjoy these haul videos, give this video a like and subscribe. Again, everything will be linked down below in case you want to shop. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, on a side note, my skin looks amazing today because I used the following makeup combination. This and this together before foundation. And like, seriously, look at my skin. It's like poreless. It's literally hydrated, smooth. Like my skin doesn't always look like this at all, but it's just been a really good makeup day. And I have to say it's these guys. This is the Sephora Moringa Oil Illuminating Hydrator, Radiance and Smoothing. And I mixed it with this Say Star Glow Super Gel. And I smeared this all over my face before applying foundation. And I think it's like the best makeup prep. So that's just a little secret.